Hello and welcome back. We are on question 8 in the complex trig handout. This is a handout, it is not in your textbook. Okay, let's take a look at what we have. We have a sweeping radius here, we have a sweeping radius here, and we have an overall length on the bottom. Let's work this one backwards. So we're going to create our last triangle first. It'll help visualize things. So we're going to go here to here. Create a 90-degree triangle. That's the height that we want. We have a pivot point here. So this guy here. So we know that this length here, our hypotenuse, is 1.5. We still don't know x, and we have no angle, so we can't do anything with this. So let's create a second triangle. What do we have? Well, we have this length here that goes all the way to here. So I can create a length from here to here. Do I know what this length is? Let's draw it out here. So I'm going to roughly sketch a triangle in this corner, I guess. So I have this, oops. Well, that's not that good. This length here is 2.975. This length here is 1.5. What's that length? This length here divided by 2 is this length. So we're going to go 3.74 divided by 2 equals 3.74 divided by 2 equals 1.87. 1.87. So I have 3 sides. What am I going to do with 3 sides? I'm going to use the law of cosine given 3 sides. So just for fun, let's say what I want. Oh, I forgot to tell you what I wanted out of this. We have 3 sides here. What I need is this angle. Because when I have this angle here, I can subtract it and get this angle. So subtract this angle from 180, and then when I have one angle, one side, I can figure a length out. But we're not there yet. Okay, so I want this side here. So what I want to find, we're going to call A, and we're going to call this guy little a. Actually, move this guy over here. We're going to call this guy little a. We'll call this guy B. We'll call this guy little b. And we'll call this guy C. And we'll call this guy little c. Okay. Let's write out our formula, the same as what we have here in our handout. So we're going to say cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared. Then it's going to be 2BC. Okay, so let's fill in. Cos A. B is going to be 1.5. So we're going to say 1.5 squared plus C 1.87 squared minus A squared, which is 2.975 over 2 B 1.5 C 1.87. Do the bottom one first. 2 times 1.5 times 1.87 equals 516. 5.61. Okay, so let's do our top. 1.5 squared plus 1.87 squared equals minus 2.975 squared equals, oh, we got a negative number. Negative 3.703725 over 5.61. Divide by 5.61 equals a negative 0.552486663. Second function, cos 0.553248663 negative equals A equals 123,590,1716. One, 2, 3, 590, 1716. Now I'm going to subtract this. 180 minus 123.59. Oh. Always watch what you're doing on the calculator. I cannot stress this enough. See how easy it is to make a mistake? I'm looking at it from an angle, so I'm having a hard time seeing the numbers, but it's easy to make a mistake. 180 minus 123.59011716 equals okay, so we have 56.4098284. I'm just going to say 56.41. Be a little easier for me to type in. Let's draw our triangle here. We have an angle here, which is that guy. We have a hypotenuse, which is 1.5. Right angle triangle, so we have our opposite, adjacent. So we're looking for opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse is sine. Here's the formula that we're going to use. Sine 56.41 equals times 1.5 equals sine 56.41 equals times 1.5 equals 1.24956. That would be 1.4953. Very close. We're off by 2/10 of our actual answer here. It's a rounding thing. I only rounded on the last bit, and I'm sure the guys who originated this question rounded earlier. I hope that this helped.